You're watching Swimming World TV. I'm your host, Brent Rutemeller, and here we are in Dallas at the UCS Convention, and I ran into Larry Masenga with S.R. Smith, who has this incredible new feature, I guess, for pools. It's called an inflatable wall system. Inflatable is probably not the right word. It's air-generated wall system where it's able to divide 50-meter pools, 25-meter pools into partitions. Incredible feature. Talk about this system.
That's right, Brent. Thanks for the chance. We have recently purchased a company in Australia. They've been installing these for about the last 10 years. We're now bringing it to the States. So this product gives someone the ability to take a 50-meter pool and quickly, in a matter of a minute or a minute and a half, divide it up into several different segments for different types of programmability. So you can have 50-meter swim going on at the same time as a 25-meter swim, and then a third activity of some sort of a recreational or other training with the same swimming pool, basically double or triple your
without even
space.
taking out the lane lines. I know there's grooves in these walls, and as you flip the button, air goes into these walls. They'll lift up. Lane lines will go into the grooves, and you immediately changed a 50-meter course into two 25-meter courses, if that's what they'd like to do.
Exactly.
Within minutes.
Exactly.
Coaches hate taking out lane lines, changing the courses, the city. So you could actually put multiple systems. You could divide up, water polo here, and sinker over here, and swimming, and
whatever you wish. And the lane lines can either go through the wall or they can attach to the wall, depending on what the programmability is that you're seeking.
And this whole technology came out of Australia. It's been around for over 10 years in Australia. And just coming to the United States now?
Correct. There have been similar systems, but nothing quite like this. Is basically an air and water generated way to move the walls up and down. There's no electronics, there's no outside mechanics. It's real simple, really fast, and easy to use.
And the materials are just...
It's a fiberglass wall that's filled with a rosin material, and they're good and sturdy. When they're up, they anchor into the wall, so swimmers can do flip turns off them. Absolutely not. No moving parts except for the hinge, and these can be done in either existing pools, where we do them in a matter of a couple days.
Okay, existing pools. So do they got to drain the whole pool to put in these?
Absolutely not.
So you can retrofit these
underwater in about a 3-day period without ever draining the pool. And then if they're done in conjunction with a new pool construction, it's a little bit different, where they would actually recess the wall into a pocket when it's lowered. So all kinds of construction are applicable for this. It could be done in concrete pools, stainless steel pools, liner pools, pretty much anything.
And new pools, obviously, they can create it to where when you lower the wall, they'll be equal to the floor, so they actually go down into
it'll be flush. It'll be flush with the existing floor.
Fabulous. And if the hinges become a problem, they can go back and replace those very easily.
They can be. Yeah, I'm not aware of any of those existing pools where they've had every single one that's been installed in Australia for the last 10 to 12 years is still fully operational.
Okay, so how sturdy are they? You got these swimmers coming in and pounding that wall on a flip turn. Are you seeing flex? Are you seeing...
When these walls are upright, there are pins that stabilize it into the wall, and people can do flip turns off these with little or no detectable deflection at all.
Yeah, I think you really solved a major problem with pool utilization. A lot of facilities they'll bring in swim teams or people like that, and they got to basically use the entire pool. And you have other patrons who are complaining, hey, how come and now you create a great solution for facilities, aquatic directors, program directors. It's exciting.
Right, very exciting. Great product.
Wow. Well, S.R. Smith, they've been around for...
S.R. Smith has been around for over 80 years. We've been a deck equipment company, ladders, all kinds of rail goods, starting blocks, lifeguard equipment. So this is our first venture into a piece of equipment that we actually install in the pool, and we manufacture and install these walls ourselves.
Wow. And you got other products, you got blocks, and all that, obviously.
Diving boards, sliding boards,
great.
All deck equipment.
Well, I'm so glad you got a chance to show this and show us to the audience. I'm Brent Rutemeller for Swimming World TV, saying if you want to win, first help some else with it. Thanks.
Thank you, Brent.